Let's get a little cold start for you boys. Good morning. All right, little unboxing video for you guys today. I already opened the box to make it a little easier, but I haven't taken anything out yet, so I'm excited. I ordered some carbon fiber goodies for the car. As you saw in the last video, my mirror cap got destroyed by the guy doing the PPF. We will not mention his name because I don't want him to have any publicity at all, because he sucked. Not because he ripped off my clear coat, for other reasons as well, but we won't get into that. Anyway, I had to go with carbon fiber mirror caps, and because it's the only carbon on the exterior of the car, I also got a carbon fiber trunk spoiler. But unfortunately, it's on back order. It hasn't arrived yet, so it will be in this video, just much later in the future. I just wanted to film this as I got it. So anyway, Gary at Suvneer Motorsports, thank you for hooking this up for me. Gary's a great guy. I believe they're located in Tampa, Florida. And I got them through my buddy Armand C63. So thank you, Armand. And let's get this cracked open. So I guess I didn't cut it good enough. There we go. Comes wrapped and pretty well. Light box, you know, carbon fiber's light, and they're also just mirror caps. So here we go. Rolled up kind of like a taco. All right, so 2 separate wraps for each mirror. Let's open her up, see what we got. Very well protected. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Sorry, guys. There we go. Get on to. Okay. Get it out of the styrofoam. This is the back. There's the, that's one. Just by taking that one out, I could tell it's actually a much higher quality than I was expecting, to be quite honest, because his prices are a lot lower than most everywhere else. And, I mean, the quality of this is unbelievable. I mean, I didn't pay full price because my buddy Armand hooked me up, and Gary as well, but I mean, I think these are only like $200. These do not look like $200 mirrors. These look a lot like the Dynan mirrors. Those I think are like $375, $400. And honestly, the weave, you can't tell on camera, but in person, it almost looks like the M Performance mirrors, and those are $1,000, guys. So definitely a very high quality here. Also, what I like about these mirrors is that the clear coat is a much higher quality than most of the cheaper carbon products. You know, after a year or two, they typically flake, peel, all that. These are not going to, because they have a much higher quality clear on them. They actually take the time to go over it. So this is unbelievable. I mean, again, hard to tell on camera, but these are nice. I'm excited to put these on the car with the wing, and show you guys the fitment as well, because obviously fitment is important as well. So let's go. Here it is on the car. Looks amazing. For the price, the fitment is good. I've definitely seen better fitment, as you can see here, but I've also seen way worse. It snaps right in. I didn't have to do any finagling. It's good in the corners. A little bit off down here. Not horrible. Not horrible. Again, for the price, you can't complain. It's just unbelievable. I love it. It makes the car look so badass. Oh yeah. can't wait to get that diffuser on, or spoiler on there. It's gonna look good. Looks sick. Go over to the other side. Fitment's nice. It's really not bad at all for the price. Little hangover here, but I mean it's really not bad at all. It's nice. Oh yeah, the car looks fantastic. All right, finally got the trunk spoiler in. Already opened it just to make it easier, but I haven't taken it out of the box yet. They included some tape for me. That's pretty awesome. That's nice. Let's get this out of the box and take a peek. Oh yeah, this is wrapped up there real nice. Oh yeah, I love it. Nice of them to include the tape to put it on. A lot of people don't include that, so that's nice. Whether or not I use this tape, I'm not sure. I have 3M in my garage from other projects, but you know, yeah, we'll see. Maybe I will. And it's really hard to do with one hand. Get this out of the way. There we go. All right. I am excited. I've been waiting a few weeks for this. Try to do it one hand. There we go. Wow. Just on first glance, the quality is ridiculous. This is awesome. Oh, I can't wait to put this on the car. So this is the M Performance style one. They actually were sold out, and so I had to wait a little bit for this, but it clearly was worth it. This thing is sick. Oh yeah, look at that. Halfway done. Oh, this thing's so nice. Wow. Here she is. M Performance rear spoiler. This is the bottom. It's got 2 holes there for something. I don't know. Maybe you can... I really don't know what that's for. But looks really, really nice quality. I gotta tell you. I mean, just look at that. It's so light, obviously, carbon fiber. Wow. Let's go throw this baby on the car. See how she looks. This is what the trunk looks like before. So it's all right. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't really have room for it, but let's install the new one. So just take some fishing line, get it under here. You want to pull up and just slide it across like this. Definitely pull up, not down. You don't want to scratch the trunk. You just saw at it like this. Kind of hurts the hands a little bit, but do it on a hot day as well. If you don't have a heat gun, makes it easier. Just keep sawing and eventually it will come off. Almost finished. It took about 2 hours, I would say, in direct sunlight. It's really hot. And this shit is impossible to get off, let me tell you. So first you have to use your nail to get the thick stuff off. Then when you get down to something looking like this, then you use Goo Gone to soften it up. You wait like 10 minutes. And then you scrub really hard with microfiber. It took a very long time, but look at that. This is the finished side. It's pretty much, you can see some little remnants, so I'm gonna get that out. But I mean, it's like 99% off. It's it's good enough. It'll be covered up anyway. I just want to get as much glue as I can so that it actually sticks and it looks good. Here's the final result. As you can see, no glue at all. Cleaned it, some streaks, but what are you gonna do? It's really hot outside. So put the new one on, and hopefully I'll never do that again, because that sucked. So I put it on off camera. Oh my god, it looks so good. I lined it up perfect. You can see a little bit of the tape, but it's not a problem. Perfect. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you again, Gary, for hooking it up. Really looks nice.